We all love Claude 4.5 and GPT 5.2, but they have a problem. They live in the cloud, they cost a fortune, and they don't really know you. What if you had an AI agent that lived entirely on your machine? One that connects to your Telegram, manages your files, generates professional images, and has a personality so distinct it feels like a real coworker? Welcome back to the Forge. Today, we are upgrading OpenClaw. I've just pushed a massive update to the open source project. We now have a visual gateway, a control center for your agents, and we've unlocked image generation capabilities that put Midjourney to shame. If you want to own your AI instead of renting it, you need to watch this.
First, let's get under the hood. For those of you who have been following the GitHub, and thank you for the thousands of stars, you know OpenClaw runs on the command line. I'm running npm update -g OpenClaw. Watch how fast this is. We are jumping versions here. The old version had some issues with the image generation dependencies, but this patch fixes the OpenCV bindings and optimizes the Python runtime. This is the beauty of OpenClaw. You aren't waiting for a company to release a feature. You run one command and your AI gets smarter instantly. This is what changes everything. In the past, OpenClaw was just text. Now, typing OpenClaw Gateway launches this. This is the OpenClaw Gateway. It's running locally on my machine, localhost. This isn't sending my data to some server in San Francisco. It's right here. Look at these connections. I have it hooked into Telegram, Discord, and even my local file system. And here are the skills. It can browse the web, it can code, and now it can see and create.
I know this looks technical. You see the code, the terminal, the AP is. It looks intimidating. That is why I created Mike's AI Forge School. I have packaged this entire workflow, the Moltbot persona, the installation script, and the Leonardo Integration Guide into a single one-click style deployment for you. You don't need to be a coding wizard, you just need to follow the steps I laid out. Go to the website, grab the OpenClaw starter pack, and get this running on your Mac or PC tonight. But here is the reality: AI moves fast. By the time you watch this, there might be a new plugin or a new agent capability. If you want to stay ahead, you can't do it alone. That is why I am officially launching the AI Profit Forge community. This is where we build agents that make money. We aren't just playing around with chatbots, we are building systems.
I want to introduce you to Moltbot. This is a custom agent persona I created using OpenClaw's Soul document system. He's sarcastic, he's efficient, and he's my CEO assistant. I've integrated the Leonardo.ai API directly into Moltbot's brain. Watch this. I'm on Telegram on my phone. I text my agent. I need a logo for a new AI startup. Make it look aggressive. Boom. In seconds. It didn't just make a picture. It understood the context, routed the request through the Leonardo API using my credentials, generated the image, and sent it back to me privately. I can literally run my business from the gym using this. I can tell Moltbot to check my emails, summarize them, and generate marketing assets while I'm doing a set of bench press.
Here is the deal. I am looking for 100 serious builders to be the founding members. The first 100 people to join via the link below get lifetime VIP status. This means when I release new agent blueprints, like the Moltbot 2.0 or the automated sales agent, you get them first. You get direct access to the inner Forge channels where I hang out every day. The spots are going to fill up. If you are seeing this video early, do not hesitate. Click the link, join the Forge, and let's automate your empire.